Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This time we bring to you an easy and a healthy herbal tea which if taken regularly has a lot of health benefits. It is made with just 2 ingredients and the results are amazing, especially with the onset of winter when we have the craving for a hot beverage. You can easily replace the high calorie tea and coffee with this wonderful herbal drink and you're definitely going to love it. So, let us get to the preparation. First, take a small bowl and I'm going to put some strands of good quality saffron. Saffron is a powerful antioxidant. It improves your mood and treats depressive symptoms and also believed to reduce appetite and aid in weight loss. Saffron, when taken regularly, helps to improve the texture of skin and also to lighten the scars, blemishes, and hyperpigmentation. It is considered a healthy alternative to caffeine fix. Now, let us add water to the saffron strands and keep to rest for 5 to 10 minutes so that the water gets infused with the essence of saffron. In the meantime, heat a saucepan. Add 1.5 cups of drinking water. As the water starts to boil, let's get ready with the second ingredient. Here, I'm taking a small piece of fresh ginger. Ginger contains phenolic compounds like gingerol and paradol that has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They help to prevent stress and damage to the body and helps to fight chronic diseases like high blood pressure, heart and lung diseases. Ginger is known to soothe the digestive tract and helps to ease stomach troubles like acidity, gas trouble and bloating when consumed in the right way. Here I am going to coarsely grind the ginger with a mortar and pestle. Ginger when taken in the right amounts helps to control hunger and facilitate weight loss by burning the fat deposition. And in case if you don't have fresh ginger, you can also use the dry ginger powder. Now we're going to add this to the boiling water and continue boiling for 2 to 3 minutes so that the goodness and essence of ginger gets infused into the boiling water. Then at this stage we are going to add the soaked saffron strands with the water. Let us continue to boil this for another 1 to 2 minutes or till the water reduces to approximately 1 cup. This helps to extract all the goodness and benefits of saffron and ginger and makes it an amazing herbal drink. Make it a habit to drink this herbal tea regularly along with your other diet programs if you're interested for a healthy weight loss. And I found this to be very effective to give an immediate relaxation to the gas trouble and bloating sensation as well. Make this quick and easy herbal drink and replace the normal high-calorie tea and coffee with this and enjoy the benefits of saffron ginger tea. I hope that you will try this during these winters and share with us your feedback. And if you like this video, do share it with your family and friends. Stay healthy and happy and see you in our next video.